Hello there and welcome to another video. And today we're looking at part 3 of Unit 9 of the Harmony 9 course through the Royal Conservatory. As we can continue our series in this unit, we are looking at another 6/4 chord called the Arpeggio 6/4. And this is a decorative element resulting in a bass arpeggiation. Basically, this means that instead of having the chord outlined with single notes that are somewhat longer or outline specific inversions of different chords. In this particular example, 9.6, you can see how in the key of D major, we have an outline of the D major triad as an arpeggio in the left hand. But when we accompany that with the melodic line in the right hand, you'll see how the chord stays the same, but it's interesting how we can actually harmonize each specific note. I'll play that example again. So at the end we have 1, 1, 6, 1, 6, 4, 1, 5, 3. So there's an easy way to think about this Arpeggio 6/4, because if we think of the Arpeggio 6/4 as a specific set of different chord patterns, we could think of it as like 1, then we write 1, 6, 1, 6, 4, 1, 5, 3. So there's a lot of 1 chords written here. So an easy way to simplify things, but also to show the difference in the bass note, meaning the lowest note as it changes, we can write the word Arpeggio 6/4 with a line underneath the whole pattern there. And then it helps to underline the harmonic language of how the chords work and also how the inversions work too. This can be done on any strong chord in a key. You can use this on the 1 chord, the 4 chord, the 5 chord. It's very common. Usually what happens as well when we have this arpeggiated pattern is that each of the inversions do need to be played in succession. So it sounds like there's an arpeggio either ascending or descending. You get the idea. So the arpeggiated 6/4 is a figuration that really just helps to underline the differences in inversions of a specific chord, while each part of each inversion is organized systematically, one after another. I do hope this information was helpful and look forward to seeing you for the next video. Thank you and take care.